Good morning. I have put together this video so that you know how to start actually posting discussions. So let's go ahead and open up our browser, and I'm going to use Firefox for this. You see that my username and my password is in here, and this is a computer I'll be using all the time. So I log on. For you guys, these Cobra may be up here showing in this part, but for me it's right here. So I am going to go to Cobra, and here my username and password has been saved. So I sign in to get to Cobra. So here I am on my Cobra page, and this is the course that I am going to take us in, I'm using this course as an example for all my other sections as well, but this is how all of us can get into discussions. You see that the first page here has your attendance, so it has the name of the students, and as you start logging in, it's going to show here that you've been logged in. For you to stay logged in or show that you have logged in, you need to stay on this page for at least about 10 to 20 seconds. So on the top, let's go ahead and start with the discussions. This is an icebreaker activity. This is where we get to know each other and learn about each other just a little bit. So you see that the first thing is getting to know you, and in order for you to post a discussion, you have to first start a new thread. So click on the getting to know you, and underneath it says start a new thread. I will go ahead and do that. Now I will go ahead and write down the name of the discussion and my name. Now to you see that here is an empty space where I can start answering these questions. There are two ways I can do that. I can either copy paste these and put them in there. To copy, I do Control C, and then I come down here and I do Control V. These are shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts, and then I can start answering. I'm happiest when. For me, it is I am traveling. If I had an extra $100, I would buy more gym equipment. The one thing I'm most proud of, oops, there's a typo, is so these questions are a little bit, you need to put some thoughts in them, and you don't want to put something that you don't, it makes you uncomfortable. So answer as lightly as or as deeply as you want. But one thing I'm most proud of are actually my children. I'm very proud of my children. Once people get to know me, they're probably surprised to find that I am an explorer. I've been known to consume large quantities of, for me it's protein powder. I love protein supplements. I'd rather be traveling than not. My best quality is my curiosity. The academic skill I'd like most to develop is speaking Spanish. And I'm going to use the arrow key to go down. One thing I'd like to figure out about myself is let's see, let's see, I have to think about this. Myself is how well I can learn new languages, or how fast, I guess. What is your background? I am I have a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering and a master's in food science and human nutrition. I have been the head of the computer science department for 18 years before I stepped down 2 years ago almost to teach full-time. So that's a very small, brief information about me. Once I put that down, then I can come down and post. Now, you guys, as you look at these, you will see my post. You will see that Maria has posted something. You can click on it, and once you click on it, it will give you an opportunity to read what I have put in there, and you can go ahead and reply to the thread. Reply to thread, and you can see here is that I am replying to my thread as an example to show how to provide feedback to other threads, right? Right, so there it is. I have it and I post. So here's Maria and here is one item shown. So now you can come over here and reply to thread to provide another feedback, or you can use this reply to thread to reply to the original discussion that I posted. Or if you choose this one, it will be adding to my feedback. So either way, I can see all of those. Once you're done, and that's how the discussion is going to go. This discussion is due by Sunday, next Sunday, at 12 a.m. So you have roughly about a week to do this. Okay, this concludes this video.